Hello everyone, I am Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss the topic features made by rivers in its course. Features made by river in its course. The action of river along its course from source to mouth is threefold, that is, it includes erosion, transportation and deposition. A river's course is divided into three parts. First, upper course, second, middle course, third, lower course. Upper course. The upper course of river begins at the source of the river near a hill or mountain. Here, river is very swift. Features made by river in upper course. First, V-shaped valley. Second, gorges. Third, canyon. Fourth, waterfall. Look at the figure. River erode the rocks and form the V-shaped valley, which is known as V-shaped valley. When V-shaped valley is eroded and it's cut the mouth, then it is known as gorge. River entered the plain after cutting the valley. That means it entered the plain through gorge. Canyon, when gorges are cut down the river and it's formed the I-shaped valley, it is known as canyon. The Grand Canyon formed by Colorado River. Fourth is waterfall. Waterfall, when river is flowing through height and it's fall on hard rocks after eroding the soft rocks. It forms the waterfall. Next, middle course. The middle course of the river begins when it leaves the mountain and enters the plain. Features made by river in this course include meanders, oxbow lakes, floodplain and levees. Meanders, loop-like structure formed by river in plain, is known as meanders. Oxbow lake, when meanders cut down by the deposition of sediments, they form lakes like oxbow. That's why they are known as oxbow lake. Floodplain area, third feature, entire area in basin, river basin, where flood is common, is known as floodplain area, and raised platform on the bank of river is known as levees. These are the features made by river in middle course. Third part is lower course. In the lower course, the river passes through an area of extensively low slope and its speed decreases. Mainly deposition occurs in these stages. Features made by river in this course include meanders, oxbow lake, floodplain, levees and delta. Delta is the main features which formed in lower course, only in lower course. Now look at the diagram. You know meander, loop-like structure is known as meander. Oxbow lake, when the meanders are cut down by the deposition of sediments, they form lakes like oxbow. Then floodplain, entire river basin where flood is common, is known as floodplain area. Levees, you know, the raised platform. is known as levees, and delta, the triangular shape of land formed by river in their mouth due to deposition of sand and silt sediments, is known as delta. Look at the picture. This is source course of river from source to mouth, upper course, middle course and lower course. Recap: upper course features made by rivers are V-shaped valley, gorges, canyon and waterfall. Middle course features made by river, meanders, oxbow lake, floodplain, levees. Lower course, same features you have seen, meanders, floodplain, oxbow lake, levees. Beside this, the main features of lower course is delta. The triangular shape of land formed on the mouth of the river. That's all for today. See you next time. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you.